Hey guys, in this video I'm going to have a quick tutorial on how to trade SUPERTREND in TradingView. So if you want to learn to plot your graph, you can check the description down below. Let's start. First of all, you need to open SUPERTREND indicator. So you can go to the indicator tab and open for SUPERTREND. So you can choose a SUPERTREND strategy. So basically it will come out a SUPERTREND, and it also will stimulate strategy tester, as SUPERTREND have this logo, means that it can help using strategy tester to test your SUPERTREND strategy. It will stimulate out based on the SUPERTREND performance. So this one I won't cover it. I will cover it later. So as you can see, after I have opened out the indicator of SUPERTREND, it will form the buy and sell region to trade SUPERTREND. For example, when it turns from red to green, it will have a signal. You can see the buy signal. It will form a short-term up reversal signal. So basically, SUPERTREND will show you the reversal tree signal when there is a breakout and a reversal trend form. And for SUPERTREND, basically SUPERTREND will calculate the formula as shown when higher low, high plus low range divided by 2, and also they will multiply the average true range. So basically they will form a formula to help you to stimulate SUPERTREND based on the average, closing, open, and also the true value. And this will help you to indicate the average value, and when there is a reversal of breakout or reversal trend, SUPERTREND will help you to identify whether the trend has reversal or what or not. So basically it calls SUPERTREND strategy. And if you want to have additional support for others indicator, you can open up this indicator, as this indicator is one of my favorite indicator, volume profile fixed range. So basically when you open this volume profile fixed range, you can identify whether the area have high accumulate of volume, and you can plan your trade by using volume. So basically at this area we have a high volume, means that most of the traders will be accumulated at this area. And if the graph is going upwards, when there is a reversal, you need to have a precaution to either take profit or even cut loss, because when this area going upwards means that most of the person have with the volume will make profit. So basically they will have their profit taking area if the graph is going upwards. Similar to when everybody is going downwards, means that everybody accumulate here, and most of the people will have a loss when they are trading this stock. So yeah, basically that's all about SUPERTREND, and you can try out yourself. Thank you.